Alright, time to go get it. If I go like this, then there's someone in there. Put the alarm as it is. They said that they'd be on the outside of this wall. Wait, there's the gen text. And there it is. Oh, this is the gen text from the elevator. Yes, and there's the alarm. Here we go. All right.
Reached overhead, punched the smoke detector that was attached to the ceiling, and the fire alarm went off.
But anyway, here's what I got. This one came from that lobby, that elevator lobby. It's ESL, but as you can see, the label's gone. I had to clean this one big time. As you can see, it doesn't have the horn. There's your sensor, and then contacts are down there, the mounting. There's the top. So I'll have something clean to do there, like I guess on that side, whichever. We'll get it later on. This is the one from downstairs, the basement, and I thought this was already gone because last week when I went into the basement there, it was gone, and then the vibratone down there was gone. So, but no, thankfully they still had it somewhere. It's an 8100T Gentex, of course. As you can see, it's got the thermal and then the normal smoke sensor. Or is it just the heat? No, I don't think so. Because that's like an HD model. But anyway, as you can see, there's no horn. So there's your insides. See, there's the, see. Yeah, see, there's the sensor right here. And here's the alarm. Just a quick clean of the top there. That's all that needed. The game well. Again, you've seen that one. The only one left in the building. First time I've ever had the valves eye strobe, so that's pretty cool. So there we go, folks. Really like that.